Hello guys, so as you can see, like I have 5 tires. So these tires are of my car. So like one of the tire got damaged, so and anyways like these tires were very old, so I had to replace them. So I thought like, okay, I have replaced the tire, but next how can I utilize them? So as you can see, let me show you how these tires got damaged. So as you see, so this was the condition of the tire. So just because like all the tires were bought at the same time and all of them ran for equal number of kilometers, so anyways like if one tire is getting damaged, so definitely some time or the other like these tires will also get damaged. So I took a safest decision and I replaced all the tires. So these are the 5 tires of my car, as you can see. So now my motive was like how I can utilize these old tires. So now let me show you what I built. So I built such a kind of a like a garden sofa or like a garden chair. As you see, like using these 2 tires. So this is little bit lower in height, and I used rest 3 of the tires, and like it is also a garden chair to approximately like this much amount of height. Now if I show you like what is the tentative height, so here you go. So as you see, like it is here, so it is 1 feet approximately. Okay. You see it is 1 feet. And now let me show you this tire. So this goes over here, and this is 17 inches in length, so almost around 1.5 feet. So and which is equivalent to a chair. So I'll just show you like what is the height of a chair. As you can see, like this is the height of the chair. So almost same. Now like let me sit on this one and then show you like how much robust this is. And what I did is like this is simply a wired net. So I just took a long rope, drilled few holes like this in the tire, and just have sewed it properly. So like this. So I just weaved it intercrosswise. So one is up and one is down. So intercrossing like weaving I have done. So there are almost 32 holes, and the same I have followed over this one as well. So both looks like this. Simple. And now the question would be like if I lift this one, so both the tires are lifting together. So how do I fix both the tires? So it is a very pretty simple idea. It's like you see nut bolt over here, one nut bolt over here, and another nut bolt over here. So there are 3 nut bolts, one here, and another here. So I just drilled hole, passed the nut from the tire 1, and I have tightened the nut bolt into the tire 2. So that is how like I fixed it. Similarly I did it for the 3 ones as well. So like this unit has 3 nut bolts and this unit has 6 nut bolts. So 3 for tire 1 to tire 2, and again 3 for tire 2 to tire 3. So this is how what I did. So now let me just place the tires like this, and now I'll show you whether they can take the weight or not. So pretty well. Now on the third one, now what is the best part is like if you need to transport it, just hold it, move it vertical and like push it. So So automatically this will go to your destination. You need not lift and go. Very simple. And again, place it like this and sit on top this one. Similarly, the triple one, like this. Just rotate it. It will go. And then, like just place it on the floor properly. That's it. Let's move this one and then move this one. Very simple. And the best part is, like this is very low maintenance. Means no maintenance at all. Because like be it sunlight, rain or anything, like anyways tires don't get damaged because these are made of high quality or high grade rubbers. So no issues at all. You can just keep it open. And just because this is completely hollow, so no water clogging, nothing. No issues. I will just place it in my garden for use. Here are some of the pictures that you see of the sofa that I have made. So this is the 3 and this is the 2. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.